Melanie trailer, and I'm back again to talk about prizes and giveaways for our Checkie Quilt Along that starts on March 1. So really excited about this Quilt Along. So this is the prize for week 1. Arrow Sewing is our sponsor. I had a little sit down with them, and I got to talk about, my book. We're doing quilt alongs for every pattern in the book. There's 4. So all of 2024, it's all about stash work. And I told them a little bit about what the book was about, organizing your stash, using your stash, things like that. So they wanted to offer up a prize that could help you get a little bit better organized. So very generous prize. I don't have the prize with me, so I can't open it all up and show you, but I can turn this around and show you the prize on their website. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, so here is their website of the product that they're giving away. And this is from Arrow Sewing again. So I'm at arrowsewing.com. And this is the Shirley storage cabinet, and that's what they wanted to give away. The winner will have the choice of having it in the teak finish or having it in the white finish. So it can, fit your sewing room, right? So I'm going to make this bigger so you can see it. Turning it around. So that's the back view, side view, front view. So that is the unit. And let me show you this picture because this is the whole thing. So the thing about Arrow Sewing products is that they have all these, I guess you would call them leaves, right? It has all this extra stuff. So like this piece right here opens up so that this piece can flip back and give you a bigger surface. And what's so cool about the Shirley is that if you have any other Arrow sewing furniture in your sewing room, it will fit right into that and, do its thing. I might give you a little example of something like that. But what I was noticing about this, and I haven't seen this piece in person, but it is on my list of really good pieces that I could add, is that it has these thread spool holders. So here's the piece right here, right? This is this is one of their units. The Shirley would fit into that unit, or it can be a standalone piece. And these are the little thread things I was showing you. And the thread things can go in here. I think it said it comes with, I was reading about it. It comes with 2 of the thread drawers and 2 other drawers. So you could store, thread or fabric or thread and rulers or, whatever you want to do. I'm going to let you look at the piece of my furniture that is kind of similar. I don't have the Shirley again, and mine doesn't have the thread drawers, which I think would be really cool. I really want a thread drawer now after seeing this piece. But I just wanted to show you how their furniture just kind of flips around and does its thing in case you've never seen it before. But again, this is the prize for week 1. One winner will win this $5.99 storage cabinet. I'm so excited to be giving this away. Yeah. All right, so let me just show you a little bit about my pieces. This is something that I bought from Arrow. It's actually how I came in contact with them. I bought this piece, I want to say, end of 2021. And then I ended up becoming an ambassador for them, and I love their products. I'm telling you, storage for days, right? But this is what I want to show you, because to me, the Shirley cabinet is very similar to this piece right here. So this piece can do this. And so it's similar. Let me get you in another spot. That might be a better view. Shirley looks bigger than this piece right here, and she's got more drawers. She's got drawers all the way to the bottom, it looked like, but she does have this little leaf right here. And what is cool about their pieces is, like, again, what is cool about their pieces is how they can connect to other Arrow pieces, but also how they can all stand alone. So my piece cannot stand alone, but the Shirley can. So you could put her in a corner, you could put her by your sewing table, and keep your scissors and, seam rippers there. You could keep her everywhere. You could also, she has those 2 thread drawers, and she's got 2 other drawers. And the drawers on these things are just so fun to organize. But you can actually unhook them from here. I'm gonna see if I can do it real quick. All right, so you can take it out and it be its own piece, but you can also add them. Somebody on YouTube showed me this, by the way. You can also add them to other units. So yeah, I just extended my whole table out another, I don't know, 3 feet, 2 feet. It's just really handy, right? It's really, you can make everything your own, make everything fit your sewing room and what you need. I just thought this was really cool. And then so fun. I could have just like pieces of Arrow sewing furniture all over my room down here. I mean, it would just really, really help me to stay organized. And I find it so much fun to organize. I might be weird, but organizing your drawers, organizing your fabric, organizing your entire space. I could do it all day. I could sit here and think about it all day long. And I'm really excited for whoever wins this Shirley cabinet and gets to organize their thread in the drawer like that. I don't have the same setup. I wish I did. But I have my thread organized in one of their other pieces, and it looks really cute too. I'm just really, really excited for whoever wins this Shirley cabinet. I'm hoping that I can convince them to send pics of how they organize that drawer and how all their spools of thread look in it. It's going to be so cute. Anyway, so yeah, that's our grand prize. If you haven't signed up for the quilt along yet, you can do so right below this video. I have gone ahead and linked to the product so that you can read more about it and, you know, see all the other Arrow sewing products. I'm going to go ahead and link to the ones that I currently have. And yeah, there's videos and stuff that I've made that you can watch about each piece if you liked seeing that cabinet come out. I've got videos that show the whole cabinets and all that. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you are as excited as me for the Checkie Quilt along to begin. And great big thank you to Arrow Sewing for being the sponsor for us.